LUXPro Thermostat buttons often fail due to simple issues like a locked screen, low batteries, or accumulated dirt. Mechanical wear, electrical surges, and occasional firmware glitches can also be the cause. Addressing these root causes promptly can often restore functionality. One common cause is a locked screen. Low batteries are another frequent issue. Accumulated dirt is a simple cause to address. Other causes include mechanical wear, electrical surges, and firmware glitches. Addressing these root causes promptly can often restore functionality. Let's go through the most common issues and solutions to get your thermostat working again. Many LUXPro thermostats have a child lock or tamper-proof mode to prevent accidental changes. To check if your screen is locked, look for a padlock icon on the display. To unlock it, hold down specific buttons for 3 seconds. Common combinations are system and hold or menu and system. If these don't work, check your thermostat's manual or LUXPro's website for the exact combination for your model. A locked screen is one of the most common reasons buttons seem unresponsive. LUXPro thermostats rely on 2 to 4 AA alkaline batteries as their power source. Low battery voltage is often the cause of unresponsive buttons or erratic display behavior. To check, open the thermostat and test each battery with a multimeter. Each battery should show a voltage reading above 1.2 volts for proper operation. If batteries are low, replace all of them with fresh AA alkaline batteries that match the thermostat specifications. According to HVAC specialist John Doe, 80% of LUXPro button issues are preventable with regular battery checks. A soft reset can fix firmware glitches or temporary issues by clearing the thermostat's memory. First, locate the battery compartment on your thermostat. Remove the 2 LA batteries carefully. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes. This gives the thermostat time to clear any temporary glitches. Reinsert the batteries in the correct orientation. The thermostat will power back on. Now test the buttons. If they respond normally, the soft reset has fixed the problem. If a soft reset doesn't work, try a factory reset, also called a hard reset. This restores the thermostat to its default settings. Be aware that you will lose any custom programming, so make sure to note your settings first. The procedure varies by model, but usually involves pressing and holding the reset or menu button while powering the unit off and on. On many models, look for a reset button on the front panel. Consult your user manual for the specific steps for your LUXPro model, as procedures can differ. Over time, dirt and grime can accumulate around the thermostat buttons, affecting their responsiveness. Use compressed air to blow away any loose particles. For stubborn dirt, gently clean the button contacts with a cotton swab lightly dampened with isopropyl alcohol. Be careful not to get any liquid inside the thermostat. Many users have fixed stuck buttons by cleaning the contacts, as demonstrated in DIY Stack Exchange forums. Improper HVAC wiring can disrupt power flow and make thermostat buttons appear non-responsive. Ensure wires are securely connected to the correct terminals: R for power, W for heat, Y for cool, G for fan, and C for common. A loose or incorrectly wired common C terminal is a common issue that can lead to button failures. In a New York office building, button failures in 50 thermostats were traced back to faulty wiring. Proper rewiring resolved the problem. If you're unsure about wiring connections, consult an HVAC technician to ensure safety and proper function. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and the buttons still aren't working, it's time to call a qualified HVAC technician. They can diagnose more complex electrical or mechanical issues. Looking ahead, the thermostat industry is shifting towards app-based and voice-controlled systems, reducing reliance on physical buttons. Future LUXPro models may even incorporate AI-driven predictive maintenance and longer-lasting batteries, minimizing button-related problems altogether. But for now, these tips should help keep your current thermostat running smoothly.